After Bishkek, we continue our journey and visit the main point of interest in Kyrgyzstan, Issyk-Kul Lake. It is also called the Pearl of Central Asia. The lake is located at an altitude of 1,600 meters and considered to be one of the 30 largest lakes of the world, taking the 7th place in the list of the deepest lakes. More than 100 rivers flow into the lake, and none of them flows out. The lake is 182 kilometers long and 58 kilometers wide. The water is very clean and crystal clear. A rare combination of sea and mountain climates attracts many vacationers and tourists. Issyk-Kul is the main source of income in tourism in Kyrgyzstan. There are many legends that the lake hides an ancient underwater city at its bottom. Every year, divers find various artifacts such as pottery and coins at the bottom. Resting on the lake coast brings positive emotions and strength to each of the participants.
Sunny day. What a long lake, huh? What's this lake called?
Issyk-Kul.
And it's big, long. Must have ridden along about 4 hours.
The bumpy road was a bit uncomfortable, but I'm feeling better with the dirt roads, and that's okay. And we had some really nice stretches to get some distance behind us, so yeah, today was okay. I'm reasonably happy with the way it turned out, I think. It's all right, it's all good.
It's a pity their government doesn't bulldoze all the broken down resorts, because it destroys the place. All those unused resorts, just get rid of them. Put it back to sand and it will look lovely. Broken down, unused buildings just detract so much. I'm sure it's got some beauty, there's no doubt about that.
Yes.
But the beauty's been ruined by rubbish buildings. But yeah, this looks beautiful to be here.
Tobias, how are you feeling today?
Oh, okay.
Looks like you're already at home.
Why?
I don't know. Last few days.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice sort of relaxed day so far today. You know, it's an all right ride. It's a good way to start the day.
Yeah.
It's hard starting the day with a difficult ride, but this is all right. It's nice and warm. There's things to look at. The road's good. So
Good song.
yeah, it's all good.
Do you like small cities in Kyrgyzstan?
Yeah, I do actually. I was thinking about this one, and it's a really nice looking town. They've all got parks, and people all get out, and they're all really sociable and like, what is it? Saturday.
Yeah.
So everyone's out and about and everyone's sort of dressed up. And I like these towns that are just a little bit big, so they start to get a flavour of a personality, you know? Like, yeah, it's good. I do like it.
We return back to Kazakhstan, but our adventure is not over yet, as the route passes through the famous landmark of Kazakhstan, Charyn Canyon. We stop for a night here at an eco park that is located at the bottom of the canyon itself. Charyn Canyon is known for its bizarre rock shapes along the Charyn River. Here you can spend the night both in a bungalow or in a real Utah.
You want to be a Genghis Khan?
I am Genghis Khan.
After the 3-week journey around Central Asia, our tour finishes and we return to the city of Almaty, where we throw a comeback party and give presents to the participants.
Cheers! Thank you, dude. And a hug from my wife for getting me home safely.
Yeah, almost months.
I think after everything that they have been through and have seen, each participant will bring unforgettable memories of this unique trip, Central Asian Ring Tour. As for me, I would like to add that as the provider of the tour, I was pretty lucky to get this group. It was a cheery, disciplined group of very experienced riders. I want to express great respect to each of the participants of the tour. Chani, the only girl in the history of our tours who completely finished Central Asian Ring Tour. I'm very thankful to Tobias, Chris and Chris Gillet for their constant optimism. And of course, I express great respect to Günther, Jan and Ray for their enormous endurance, optimism and desire to travel all the time despite their age. Whenever I show photos of this tour to my friends, I always say, "Oh Lord, grant us as much strength as these guys have, so we could travel around on motorcycles as they do." I want to say thank you to all the participants, and I'm glad they found ways and opportunity to come here and be the part of this unique motorcycle tour.